Hey, what is going on, guys? It's me again, Caden Seitzma from Everything Stock Market, here to tell you guys how I personally screen for stocks and look for the best stock for me to invest in. So, hope you guys did enjoy the last video. I'm getting more comfortable with the camera and editing and everything like that, so less mistakes to come. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and hop onto my computer, Facecam. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Probably not. We'll see. But we're going to go ahead and hop onto the computer where I can show you guys what I do and where I go to screen these stocks. And I'm going to give you guys a little further explanation of what I look for. I'm not going to give away all my secrets because I got to keep something to myself. But I hope this video helps a lot. I know it will if you can use it correctly, and that's what I plan on teaching you. So, see you guys on computer. Welcome back, you guys. I am currently on my computer. As you can see, I'm in the top right corner. Hello. So this is the website that I use to screen for stocks. It is called finviz.com. And when you go to this website, you're going to get to a home screen, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of information. You can see tickers with the change percentage, highest change, lowest change. You can also see how each sector of the stock market is doing. This is all very helpful information. You can see the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. So once again, I'm straight to the point if you are new here. So yeah, you can scroll along here and check this stuff out, but that's not what we're looking for today. Today we are looking for this, the screener. If you go ahead and click the screener, you're going to come right here and you're going to see all this overwhelming information. Well, and maybe an ad. Do not worry. Do not mind it. You're going to have to learn it. You will. So I'm going to show you my main strategies when it comes to looking for stocks. So what's nice is we have descriptive, where it's going to show descriptions like float shorts, relative volume, the index it's in, the IPO date, target price, market cap, exchange, etc., etc. All stuff you don't necessarily need to know. The important stuff I can show you in here is your float short. Float short is going to be how much short shares are available to be shorted. The float is how many shares are in total, are in, like, I don't know how to say it. How many shares are available for you guys to purchase, buy, or sell. Shares outstanding, same thing. Target price, you can find stocks that are above or below the target price. Obviously, you want to look for the below ones or the above if you're going to be shorting a stock. What I like to go for is the fundamentals. If you look here on the fundamentals, you can find, I'm sorry, everybody, another ad. But what I like is actually in descriptive. So descriptive, this is a very, very efficient strategy to look for stocks. Go to earnings date, and you're going to want to go look at, for instance, tomorrow. So we can look here. We have two companies that are going to be getting their earnings tomorrow. Earnings are always a good catalyst for growth or decline. So if we take a look here, we see SGH. You can go ahead and click on the ticker. It looks like it's doing nice, and it's going to give you a nice chart. So if you watch my previous video, you can see here we have an ascending triangle almost into a wedge, broke out. You might want to do further due diligence on these types of things, but you can publish the chart. You can take a look at the chart. If you scroll down, you can see all the earnings and information, and you might want to look on your own time for the earnings. I'm just showing you guys how to screen. So we're going to go ahead and click back to screener. Sorry if my camera keeps moving. My computer's on something right now. But you might want to check the price of it. Currently, the stock's up almost 2%. So that looks like it's a good one going into tomorrow. What I like to do is I like to go this week, and you can see all the stocks that have earnings this week. And there's actually, if you're seeing this today or tomorrow, you can see what stocks I actually have going on is actually, I believe, ACCD and DCT, I think, are those that are on my watch list for this week. Another cool thing about screening is if you know all this stuff, market cap, if this all matters to you, you can go ahead and check it all out. But when you go here, you can see the technicals. So we got 52-week highs. These are all down. 52 weeks lows. These are all up. Stuff like that. Another thing I like to show you guys is if you watch my previous video, I did technical analysis, like technical pattern breakouts. You can go here and you can look right here is your RSI, your pattern, your change, your after hours change. I like to go to pattern. Now, if you notice something similar to everything I showed you, you can find stocks that have all of these going on. So we want to see a wedge down, which means it could possibly go up. It's going to screen us for stocks that have a down wedge. And I still am looking in the earnings, by the way. If I were to uncheck earnings, let me do that real quick. Descriptive, go over here, go to any, go back to technical, and you're going to see all these that are wedging down. So let's go ahead and click a random one. Go ahead, click. and you can take a look. See, this is in a wedge. So this might be something to look forward to, as it might bounce off support here and go up. Basically, you want to use your own technical analysis and stuff like that, but this is just screening for stocks, looking for the proper stock to find. There are tons of different technical, fundamental, and descriptive categories you can search for. I'm here to show you how to screen. I gave you my favorite example, which is the earnings. Earnings are always a great catalyst, and I showed you the pattern, which is another great technical thing to look for. This other stuff is all pretty experienced for like people who are more experienced. Gaps, you can look for gap ups and stuff like that. So let's look for something that's like gapped up 5%, for instance. And this one actually is wedging down and gapped. Let's take a look at this. I might be interested in this. So as you can see here, right here is the gap. It gapped down, which means usually it's gonna gap back up. This is gonna be, it looks like it's trying to break out of its pattern. So this might be something I might actually look at. MKGI, keep that in mind. So this was a straight to the point video on what I use to screen for stocks. You can also search for stocks up here, and you can also get news, maps, groups, portfolio, insiders, futures, forex, crypto, you name it, it's on here. This is my go-to website for screening stocks. Very quick video, very straight to the point, and very informal. If you can just get these down and on your own time, learn a little bit more. I'll probably make videos on deeper explanation on screening and fundamentals and descriptions on stocks, but this is my go-to. If you notice, all my callouts have charts from this website as well. So remember, you're going to want to go to earnings date for the future, or usually tomorrow or the week, and you want to go to technical, and you also want to look for patterns. These are great indicators of bullish or bearish movements. And sometimes I like to add after hour change in RSI and volatility, which is the volume. RSI means like buy sell, like who's buying, who's selling, and like if it's oversold, overbought. After hours change, you just like to see things that are moving. You can also go to pre-market, I believe after hours change and after hours close. This would be pre-market stuff. So you can see what's running in pre-market, what's running in after hours. So this is a great website for everything you need to know. But this is just the basic runaround of what I use to screen stocks. So hope you guys did learning something about in this video. It was quick, straight to the point, but holds a lot of information. That's going to be it for this video. It was short. Please let me know what else you want to see, and I will do my best to show you guys. Like I said, this was just me showing you what I use to screen and my 2 favorite ways to screen stocks. I will see you guys in the next one. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks guys.